Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create golden glow effect for free on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and first of all we can create new project. So we can click on new project here, and then you can choose a video that you want to edit or the video that you want to apply the golden glow effect to. And I'm going to select this video for example and click on add to import the video, and then we're going to go to the effect menu, select effect and video effect, and then you're going to search for golden snow. Just type in golden snow, this one, and then we're going to adjust the effect. You can apply this golden snow and then adjust it, and then you can adjust all the aspect right here. And then for the filter, you're going to make it 30. Okay, make it 30, and then for the glow, make it 60. Make it 60 like this, and then for the range we're going to make it 30 just like the filter, and then for the atmosphere you're going to make it 0, and also for the intensity make it 0, and then it will create something like this, and then you can make it align with your video. Okay, and this is the final result, and yeah, that's so cool. And actually there is another effect that you can apply to create this golden glow effect. You can apply another effect, but it's not free, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to go back to the video effect, and then we can choose colorless flash. Okay, but it's not free guys. Okay, I'm going to adjust it, and to create the golden glow you can set the color to 50. Okay, and it will create glow effect like this, and for the speed you're going to set it to 0. Okay, and for the atmosphere I'm just going to leave it like that, and for the range I'm going to increase it. Okay, and this is also golden glow effect, but it's not free, and I think the free one is better than this. You can use this one if you want to create this kind of glow or this kind of golden effect. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add or apply golden glow effect in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.